Alright guys, today we're going to be learning about inverses. Inverses. It's very simple actually. All you have to do is switch X and Y. That's just to start it off to set up the problem. Okay, let's do a simple problem. Let's just do Y equals X plus 1. So, what you have to do is just switch the Y and X to start off the problem. So it'd be X equals Y plus 1. Simple. And then now you have to solve for Y. So just take the 1 and put it on the other side, which would be minus 1. And then it would be Y equals X minus 1. Did it pretty easy. Alright, now let's try a more difficult one. Let's try y equals 2x plus 3. Alright? Let's try it out. Remember, first, switch the y and the x. Alright, so it'd be x equals 2y plus 3. Start off with the more simple stuff. Minus 3, minus 3. So then it'd be x minus 3 equals 2y. Just divide by 2. Y equals x minus 3 over 2. Simple enough. Alright, now let me teach you how to graph it. Graphing is a whole different kind of method. Well, not really, but it's just the opposite. You gotta make sure you don't pass y equals x. Alright, for example, y equals negative x squared minus 2. So, what you have to do first is obviously switch. So it'd be x equals negative y squared minus 2. Just flip it. Alright. And then you just solve it. Like I said, start with the easiest stuff first. Plus 2 plus 2. X plus 2 equals negative y squared. And the next step I'd advise you to do is to square it. Square root it. Since it's squared, square root it. Square root it, and you have to do the same thing on the other side. Square root it. So now the problem would be basically that, but minus that. Alright, so it would be square root of x plus 2 equals negative y. And then just make it positive. Or you have to switch everything from here. So it would be y equals square root negative x minus 2. And then use graphics. Alright. So I'm just gonna, first you gotta do the y equals x. This is the y equals x line right here. Whenever you do the inverse, it should never touch this line. Alright, now let's graph it now. That's 0.1. Oh wait, sorry. Let's make this second. Alright, so then you just go down 1 like this. Like that. Since this one's square root, it's supposed to be like that. Or, yeah, but you just have to reflect it to make it look like the inverse of it. Basically all you do. Alright, just do one. Just go. And then the first one would be like this. the arrows because it keeps going on and on. That's basically how you do it. Simple examples of how to do inverses.